was sick.
No one has ever done that. No one ever attempted that. A world record by far. We will get the official distance a little later on, but for now, just take this in. And he backflips into the harbor to cap it. Wow. Can you believe that? No limits, baby. Apparently, he had a cool down. Hey, it's a good thing the rescue boats were here after all, Marcellus.
Oh, exactly. He says to himself, hey, the car's not going in the water, but I am, brother.
You can put another notch in the belt of the legend of Travis Pastrana. From motocross to rally to the unimaginable feats, this one was utterly spectacular. We're going to give you plenty of replays.
Well, here is Travis Pastrana. We're going to drag him onto the boat. Oh, wow.
Hey, all that testing we did went perfect. Landed on the backside of the jump, and it was due from the, I guess, the mist or whatever. Slick as ice. I was like, oh man, this is going to hurt.
So I got to ask you, you have not had a chance to even test that run-up. Obviously, you can't speed run here because you land in the water. What was running through your mind as you were coming up at full speed towards that ramp?
Well, the scariest part, I'm usually a lot more hands-on, but Red Bull and Dane and all you guys had such a good team that... Oh, sorry. Well, when I went to take off, I couldn't see the landing at all. I'm like, man, I hope the whole team went perfect, and it was perfect. Couldn't have been better.
So you landed, you hit that thing, you said it felt slick, and we caught you sliding pretty hard there. What did it feel like when you hit that end barrier?
Well, that pretty much sucked, but the Subaru guys, man, I've taken quite a few crashes this year in rally, and it happens, it's part of it, but man, just launched about 250 feet, greased the sweet spot, hit the brakes, I'm like, oh, it's just like a nice skating rink, here we go. So put it in sideways, put it in on passenger side. Christian, I'm glad I didn't have a co-driver there, I would have felt really bad doing that to him, but man, I just want to say, you know, this is such an awesome experience, and to have the whole town of Long Beach, thank you guys, everybody. Brian Vickers, you should have come with, man. You're kind of a wimp. We tried to get him to come with, he wouldn't do it. So. But anyway, thank you.
So Travis Pastrana tried to get NASCAR star and Red Bull driver Brian Vickers to be in the passenger seat, but what an incredible feat. You did see a car fly over 250 feet.
Let's look at the first of many replays that you will see. Remember, the run-up, over 900 feet long, Marcellus, and then he reached over 90 miles per hour.
And all this is calculated.